Guide to Successful Thesis and Dissertation.
Characteristics of a sound overview. Advisors and committee members vary in their views as to the necessary components for an appropriate overview. Our recommendation is to try to satisfy 3 criteria, as follow: First, include consideration of at least these elements. A brief title that describes the investigation. A face sheet with appropriate identifying information. A table of contents. An introductory statement of the problem to be studied. A specific problem statement couched in terms of questions to be answered by the study's results, or hypotheses to be tested, or definitive information to be supplied, or a theory, an explanation, or a product to be developed, or some combination of these. A step-by-step procedure section that includes specific information about which data will be collected, from which sources data will be obtained, how the validity and reliability of the information will be assessed, and how the data will be analyzed to respond to specific problem statements. A brief summary of the proposed investigation as previously outlined, plus any other matters that should be part of the record, i.e., human subject concerns, threats to the study. A sample of each data collection form or test or similar material to be used in the study. A bibliography of the references in the overview document. Second, try to assure that the ambiguities and anticipated problems are openly discussed. For example, suppose some of the data to be collected depend on responses to inquiries mailed to parents. Suppose, also, that there has been a history of very low response rate to similar inquiries to parents in similar circumstances. This should be brought out in the overview document, with a clear statement of what measures are to be taken to encourage a satisfactory return, and with a contingency plan, should the return be insufficient for analysis. Third, we recommend the inclusion in the proposal document of a systematic planning procedure that spells out the anticipated timeline of the investigation. That may well be an appendix. Help in setting forth the entire procedure and time sequence. Even though there is variation among advisors and committee members' views regarding what constitutes an approvable overview, the elements suggested include what many professors expect. The 3 key elements are a full and detailed proposal, clarification of potential ambiguities, and a rational time sequence.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share if this is helpful.